Hey, GraphicsFlow users, your September art drop is here. This month's collection is built to help your shop roll into fall and winter, with high-demand themes for sports, seasonal events, and everyday custom orders. Fully editable and ready to go. We're starting things off with fall and winter sports. Fresh layouts for cheer, basketball, water polo, archery, and even bocce. Whether you're printing for school teams, club leagues, or community tournaments, these designs are perfect for uniforms, spirit wear, and fan merch. Need seasonal designs? We've added new artwork for fall retreats and Thanksgiving, ideal for youth groups, churches, community events, and festive apparel drops. And if your shop supports local events, this drop includes designs for bike races and turkey trots, built for race tees, event sponsors, and post-race swag. We've also added bold, industrial-inspired layouts for trucking, motorcycles, and transportation brands. Great for workwear, team apparel, or company merch. We've also added Veterans Day pieces with refined, patriotic layouts, fast to edit, perfect for bulk orders. Every layout in this drop is fully customizable, making it easy to deliver pro-quality designs fast. Log in now to check out your September art drop, only on GraphicsFlow.